Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Gabby, also known as Be Naturally Glam. So you can see my braids are out and my hair looks like a nest. I can't wait to tackle this hot mess. My texture is different on the right side, so that's why it's shriveled up like that. But today I am getting ready to do a pre-poo for you guys using the ingredients that I showed you at the beginning. So let's jump right into this video. You can see first I wanted to finger detangle my hair because it is stiff from the products that was used on my hair to blend in with the braiding hair. And I had rubber bands at the roots where you can see it's white and dirty looking. So yeah, I wanted to do that first before putting a comb to it and losing too much hair. You know, of course, when your hair is in a protective style like this, your hair is going to shed more anyway. Since this pre-poo has a thick consistency, I transferred it into this bottle just to make it easy to apply. My hair is coming back to life. When I say I can feel the moisture and this comb gliding right through. Wait, pause. Ooh, now I know y'all see this growth. Let me stop and keep going, cause I know you already see it. You see an inch or two and don't know how to act. But now I'm going to apply some of this on my scalp. This process was a little time consuming. I had to make sure I got all the kinks out because I didn't want my hair tangled and knotted up after washing it. You can see I only have a small amount of hair on the comb, which is good. That's why I like this chop and glide motion that I use. Just an FYI, you only supposed to shed up to 100 hairs a day. I told you I have my biology degree, so I'm going to use it when I need to. Since I have some left over, I'm going to apply the rest to my scalp and all over my hair. We will not be wasting these good ingredients. I'm going to let this sit for 10 minutes and then rinse it out and shampoo my hair as normal, but that is it. Thank you for stopping by, and as always, be safe. I will see you soon.